Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Meta, aka Facebook, aka Instagram, aka WhatsApp, pretty much the social media powerhouse. We're going to be talking about why it's up a whopping 14.5% and going higher as we speak. What's going on? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Like and subscribe right now. Do it. Do it. All right, let's dive into this. And guys, before we jump into it, make sure you guys check out my course. We talk about my strategies and how I trade in the stock market and how I've done it for over 6 years full time. Check it out down below. Code YouTube, 20% off. Check it out. But guys, all right, let's jump into this. So looking at Meta's chart here, you guys will see Meta has had an absolute beautiful upward trend. Literally all the way back in 2012, the stock was trading for $17. Now it's over $452 a share, which is incredible. Now you guys will see this massive amount of sell-off right here that we had in pretty much mid 2022, early or late 2021. Now during this time, Meta was investing billions, millions upon millions and billions of dollars into artificial intelligence, into Oculus, and there wasn't a bunch of money left over to reinvest back into like the social media site like Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram. On top of that, there was a variety of advertising cuts, which did cause Meta to start selling off a little bit. And on top of that, another thing that we saw was the first time in company history, we had a little slowdown on the daily active users, which is very, very important because that's where Meta makes most of their money. Now, as of today, you guys will see as we go to like the minute chart here and we zoom out, you guys will see that Meta today went from about $395 to $455, which is a crazy move in a single day. Literally in a matter of about 40 minutes, we had this crazy move. So what is going on with Meta? Well, Meta today released an earnings report. This is where the company comes out and they give you all the good and all the bad. Honestly, they did some amazing things here. This is an article here. The great thing about using a broker like Moomoo is they have all the news off to this side, so you can just click it. I'll put Moomoo down below. I highly recommend them. They're the broker I use for all my trading and stuff. So, all right, looking at this article here by Yahoo Finance, Meta posts a sharp profit, revenue increase in quarter four thanks to cost cutting and advertising rebound, which is awesome. So one of the things here is looking at this revenue here. The revenue grew 25% to $40.1 billion from $32.1 billion, which is an incredible move for this company here. Now, when evaluating a stock in a company, you always have to look, in the future. When you buy a stock, you're hoping that in the future, in the next 5-10 years, we get some growth. Now, as of right now, one of the more popular sectors that have been doing very, very well, and a lot of analysts think that it could grow at about 37% annually for the next 10 years, is artificial intelligence and VR. And Meta is highly invested into them. Look at this here, what they said here. The company can talk all it wants about AI in the metaverse, but it's still a social media company that gets nearly all its revenue from advertising, and advertisers still clearly love Meta. So looking at this, you can look at this and think of two things. One, all right, well, Meta makes most of their money from advertising. Yes, this is a multi-billion-dollar corporation that has been investing into AI. So I definitely think, yes, right now, obviously, Facebook's their powerhouse. It's their bread and butter. It's what funds all their stuff. But in the future, I think that the AI and the metaverse will outtake Facebook for Meta's revenue. There's a reason why Meta changed their name from Facebook to Meta. It's because of the metaverse. It's because of AI. That's where Facebook potential is going. So honestly, I think as of right now, this is an amazing thing that we see Meta do. So looking at this stock here, let's go ahead and talk about, should you buy it? Should you buy it? Well, we always hear this expression, buy low, sell high. As of right now, this is going to cause Meta to hit all-time highs. Now, at least for me, when buying a stock, I think Meta is one of these stocks where you have to have a very, very long-term approach, right? And what I mean by that is, look at this great upward trend. And if you don't have a long-term approach and you saw this massive amount of sell-off, buying the stock at $117 was buying the stock all the way in 2016, which is insane. Now, another thing here, like I said, this is a long-term stock. So the best strategy and approach I would take when investing into a company like Meta is going to be to dollar cost average it. Now, what that is and what it does is investing consistently. So maybe you invest once a week or once every other week or whatever it may be. But dollar cost averaging is a great approach to start that process of getting shares and funding shares and investing weekly and bi-weekly. If that's just a Meta stock sells off like it's done in the past, you're averaging down on that price. So once it recovers, you make a lot more money. It's an absolute fantastic way to get a good average share price, to make a lot of money, and overall just invest in the a little more high volatile, high risk growth stocks. But guys, that's what I think is going on with Meta. Fantastic news on their earnings report. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to check out my course. And overall, this is all my own opinion, so do your own research before you guys make any financial decisions. And we'll see you guys later. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.